Let's hear it. Here we are, and we're here with Walter, who's a member of the Scurvy Few, and Scurvy Few forever, and forever Scurvy Few. Got great friends over there.
Great people.
Tell us what happened that day.
It was just a rough day. We came back after being at the OL. They had their evening, open house, and sitting at the traffic light. Out of nowhere, we got rear-ended, and rest is history. It destroyed my bike, destroyed a beautiful lady's life, you know. And you guys have been here strong for me, so appreciate everything.
We'll be here even afterwards. Anything you need.
We'll make sure of that. I know a couple of our members have been there visiting with you, and you've helped them out. So you've been strong with all of us.
Well, we're strong with the biker community, and my condolences to you. This is a bittersweet. We did a job for you.
Right.
It's the best that we could do, but you're here today to ring the bell. And it's not only that, also a celebration of life for her.
Amen.
Amen.
Yep. I know.
And we just had the celebration of life. We rode down to Marathon. I think it was on the 14th.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. A lot of folks from your club was there.
Yep.
And we every time I think we mentioned her name, and every name on the list we rang the bell.
Right. For a bait, they did that up in Sarasota also.
Yeah. So
Abate did a great job
if
too.
her name was not on the list, you can grab Candy by the ear. I'm pretty sure her name was on the list.
I'm sure.
But anyways, brother, go ahead and ring the bell. Anything
right,
you need.
One nice ding.
Is it one nice ding? All right.
One nice ding.
Thank you, brother.
Right on.
All right.
Hope you understand. I was born a railway man.